In this video, I will show you how to display inventory quantity on your Shopify product page. First, sign in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then select Themes. On your current theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the theme editor, use the page selector at the top and choose a product template so you can preview one of your product pages. Next, click the product information section from the left-hand panel. Then, click Add Block. From the list of available blocks, search for or scroll down to Product Inventory, then click it to add it to your product page. Once the block has been added, you'll see your product's available inventory displayed in the preview. If you'd like to change its position, simply drag the Product Inventory block to your preferred location within the Product Information section. If you don't want to display the exact number of items in stock, select the Product Inventory block and turn off Show Low Stock Quantity. This will hide the quantity while still allowing Shopify to display a low stock message when applicable. When you're finished, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. Now, open your product page to preview it. If your product has multiple variants, switch between them to see the inventory update automatically for each variant. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.